Welcome to 300 Main Street, the Meridian Plaza, Unit 2C. This elegant 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, one-of-a-kind condo offers classic architectural craftsmanship and exceptional amenities, making it great for entertaining or just unwinding. The inviting open floor plan with a soaring 11-foot ceiling and expanded 3-piece crown molding has natural light streaming through all the windows and has a great Main Street view. The gourmet kitchen is the perfect setting for cooking and serving guests as they gather at the Granite Island. You will enjoy using the Professional Series stainless steel appliances, a 36-inch gas cooktop with pot filler, 2 convection ovens, a microwave, and a refrigerator. A wood-paneled dishwasher blends into the base cabinet design. Another gem is the secret door leading to the tucked-away walk-in pantry. A combination of artisan-made chandeliers, pendants, and wall sconces, along with traditionally recessed lights, creates a terrific ambiance. A smart Control 4 system consolidates all the entertainment remotes into one device and controls the ambient lighting. So much forethought has been put into the design and construction of this condo, making it truly unique. Some of the many extras include bendable track lighting systems designed to highlight pictures and artwork, structural support blocking for adding wall-mounted TVs and handrail installation if desired, a Honeywell programmable thermostat for added efficiency, and an electrical surge suppressor system integrated into the breaker.